Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to fix not opening on Bluesky social app. So in some cases when you're trying to open your Bluesky app, it will stick on this page and remain here. So when that happens or something else is preventing you from opening your Bluesky app, here are a few steps to take in order to fix it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to your Play Store and check for updates. In some cases, when you open your Play Store, you might find that your Bluesky needs some update. As you can see right here on the screen, Bluesky is needing an update. If your Bluesky is out of date, it might affect functionality of your app. So go ahead and press the update button to update it. The next thing you need to do is to check for your mobile device's update. If your Bluesky is updated for the latest version of your device, you will need to go to your settings, and depending on your device, you will need to go over to System Update. Right here we have System Update and we're going to tap on it to check, and you can see that we're up to date. Of course, you can go ahead and tap on Check for Update. Of course, this may refresh as you open it, but you might want to go ahead and check for an update manually. After you've updated your Bluesky app and your mobile device, you can go ahead and restart your device. Another thing you could do is to check your internet connection. In some cases, this might be the problem, so you need to go to your web browser and load a simple page. If that works, then your internet check is done. Another thing you can do is to clear the app's cache and data. In order to do that, go to Settings and then go over to Apps. If you have Bluesky among the recently opened apps, that's great. You can simply tap on it, but if you don't, you need to tap on the drop down where you can see all of your other apps right here. So we're going to tap on Bluesky, go to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will clear your cache, and this might help in opening your Bluesky app. If you already had your update, you can try to reinstall your Bluesky app and see if it works. And then lastly, you might want to check online for Bluesky's status. In some cases, it might be as a result of Bluesky's service temporarily going down. So check other social media platforms, blogs, and see the latest information from users or from the company itself. So this is how to fix Bluesky app not opening.